10 Best Tuner for 6.7 Cummins 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Dodge Ram Cummins Injector Tube Removal Tool. Struggling with stubborn Cummins injector tube removal risks costly engine damage. Our Dodge Ram Cummins Injector Tube Removal Tool offers precision and durability. Crafted from high-quality anti-corrosion carbon steel with a robust black coating, it's built for rigorous, long-term professional use. A direct replacement for P/N933-3401 ensures a perfect fit for 2003 to 2018 Dodge Ram 5.9L and 6.7L Cummins engines, 2500 to 5500 series. It simplifies injector tube removal without damaging the delicate injector cup, and its intuitive design requires no special skills. Simplify Cummins maintenance and prevent costly repairs with this essential tool. Number 9. Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins Turbo Actuator Calibration Kit. Ram 6.7L Cummins owners, ready to restore peak performance? Our VGT Turbo Actuator Calibration Kit is your ultimate solution. Expertly engineered for 2013 to 2018 Ram 2500 to 5500 trucks equipped with E300VG/E351VE VGT turbos. This isn't merely a replacement. It's an intelligent upgrade. We've included everything you need: a robust actuator, full installation kit, and an upgraded calibration box. Truly an all-in-one package. Experience a direct, no-modification fit that seamlessly replaces your original part, getting your truck back on the road faster. Designed for resilience, it handles extreme operating conditions with ease. Regain precise boost control, optimal power, and efficient fuel delivery. Drive with confidence again. Number 8. Ram 6.7L Cummins Diesel Filter Kit. Upgrade your Ram 6.7L Cummins with our premium diesel filter kit. Engineered with original Italy Alstrom 3-layer synthetic filter paper, it captures an astonishing 99% of water, impurities, and contaminants down to a microscopic 4 microns. This precision filtration ensures a steady flow of clean, dry fuel for peak engine performance and longevity. Experience minimal flow restriction and maximum efficiency, vital for your demanding diesel. With an impressive 20,000 to 40,000 mile lifespan, you'll drive longer with peace of mind. This complete kit includes all necessary filters and safety gloves, offering superior protection and value for your 2019 to 2024 Ram 2500 to 5500. Drive with confidence. Your engine's safeguarded. Number 7. Amazon's top pick. Ready to unleash the full potential of your Ram 6.7L Cummins? Meet Doc's Diesel Crankcase Filter, Amazon's top pick for unparalleled engine protection. Expertly designed for 2007.5 to 2025 models, this isn't just a replacement like CV5-2001 or 904 to 418. It's an essential upgrade. By rigorously trapping harmful vapors and blow-by gases, our filter dramatically reduces sludge buildup and oil breakdown. This means cleaner oil, less engine wear, and significantly fewer costly repairs down the road. You'll experience enhanced performance, lower maintenance, and a longer-lasting, cleaner-running rig. Trust Docs, a grassroots leader committed to exceeding OEM standards for superior durability and complete peace of mind. Just replace every 50,000 to 60,000 miles for optimal results. Number 6. Dodge Ram 6.7 Cummins CCV Filter Replacement. Give your Ram's 6.7 Cummins the superior protection it deserves. Our premium CCV filter replacement is expertly engineered for a perfect fit on your 2008 to 2021 Dodge Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500. This isn't just a replacement. It's a direct OEM match for CV5-2001, 68002-433AA, and 68002-433AB, ensuring identical performance to your original. Featuring high-quality filtration technology, it effectively captures contaminants and prevents oil mist buildup, keeping your engine pristine and running optimally. Experience improved engine efficiency, stable power output, and even better fuel economy. Plus, installation is straightforward. No special tools or professional skills required, making it a simple DIY task that saves you money. Keep your truck performing at its peak. Number 5. Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins Turbo Actuator Kit. Is your 2013 to 2014 Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, or 5500 with a 6.7L Cummins feeling tired or throwing turbo error codes? Reignite that legendary power with our brand new Turbo Actuator Kit. Engineered for a precise, factory-like fit, this kit ensures your turbocharger operates exactly as it should. Say goodbye to sluggish acceleration and inconsistent boost. Enjoy smooth, reliable power delivery across all RPMs. This is a strategic investment in your truck's longevity and performance. Designed to meet or exceed OE specifications, including part numbers like 587604 and 5494878RX, you get guaranteed compatibility. Plus, a reassuring 3-month warranty offers absolute confidence. Restore your Cummins to its prime and experience the robust performance you love. Your Ram deserves nothing less. Number 4. 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L Cummins Turbo and Calibration Tool. Revitalize your 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L Cummins with our advanced turbo and calibration tool. Engineered for a seamless fit, this isn't just a replacement. It's an upgrade designed to unlock your truck's true potential. Experience precision control over your turbo's operation, ensuring unwavering engine stability and eliminating worries about overspeed. You'll immediately notice the difference. A perfect balance between exhilarating power and improved fuel efficiency. Our tool intelligently adjusts boost in real time, delivering rapid low-speed response while maintaining controlled high-speed muscle. Say goodbye to frustrating turbo lag, engine shaking, and power fluctuations. Enjoy a remarkably smoother, more responsive, and utterly reliable driving experience. Elevate your Ram's performance today. Number 3. ARP 6.7L Cummins Balancer Bolt Kit. Hey, 6.7L Cummins owner. You understand that peak performance and engine longevity demand uncompromised strength, especially in critical areas. That's precisely why the ARP Balancer Bolt Kit is an essential upgrade for your Dodge. Forget weak stock fasteners. ARP is renowned for engineering superior grade bolts that can withstand extreme stresses and vibrations. This kit ensures your engine balancer stays securely fastened, dramatically reducing harmful vibrations and safeguarding your investment. Designed as a direct OEM equivalent to part number 1472503, you're guaranteed a perfect, hassle-free fit. Equip your Cummins with ARP's legendary reliability and drive with confidence, knowing you've secured your engine's future. Number 2. He351VE Turbocharger. 13 to 18 Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins. Unleash the true potential of your 2013 to 2018 Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins with the He351VE Turbocharger. Designed for seamless compatibility and peak performance, this turbocharger is your ultimate upgrade. You'll instantly experience a noticeable boost in engine horsepower, alongside improved fuel economy that helps you go further on less. Crafted with high-strength aluminum and robust cast iron for superior high-temperature resistance and exceptional longevity, it ensures reliable power delivery with impressive transient response. This isn't just a replacement. It's an enhancement engineered for endurance and efficiency. Directly compatible with numerous OE part numbers, it offers a perfect fit for your Ram 2500 to 5500. Drive with complete confidence, backed by a 1-year guarantee. Number 1. Dodge Ram 6.7L Diesel Turbocharger with Actuator. Ready to unleash the full potential of your Dodge Ram 6.7L Diesel? Our turbocharger with Actuator is meticulously engineered to bring back that robust power and acceleration you crave. Designed for 2013 to 2018 Ram 2500/3500, 2013 models require DEF. This isn't merely a replacement. It's a performance revival for your truck. Crafted from high-strength alloy, it ensures durable, stable new abilities for your engine, letting you feel that powerful acceleration again. As a direct, OEM standard fit, installation is straightforward. Backed by over 20 years of professional manufacturing expertise, you're investing in proven quality and dependable performance for your rig. Restore your Ram's heart with confidence. So, that sums up my 10 best tuner for 6.7 Cummins. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.